If you own a Sony camera and you want to save time, then this video is for you. Sony's menu system has been taking heat for the longest time, and it makes sense because it's pretty hard to navigate. It's hard to remember where you found a particular thing. There's just so much stuff in there. But there is something you can do, especially if you have settings that you go to time and time again and you need to find them fast. To get started with this, press menu on your Sony camera, and the first thing on the top left is a grey box with a star in it. That's the My Menu tab that we're going to want to operate here. We're going to go in, we're going to set up our menu. So there are 7 slots available in each custom menu. You can have multiple custom menus. If you wanted one menu to cater to photography, you could do that and put all the settings relating to photos in there. And then the next menu, you can put all your settings relating to video in there. Because I do a hybrid of video and photo, I've got a mix of the top 7 things that I go looking for in the menu so that they're right there at the top. Things like picture profile, setting my monitor and viewfinder to auto or manual. And of course we've got steady shot in there, we've got shutter type, we've got format for the memory cards, all things that I do on a near daily basis. To do this, you go into that menu we're talking about, the little grey box with the star. We go to My Menu Settings, Add Item, and then we select whatever one it is. It shows us all the things from each menu and we pick what we want. And once we've selected it, we have a choice of which menu to put it in. If you've only started out with one menu and it's happening right now, then it's going to go to that one. If you've got multiple, then you can choose which one it goes to after you choose it. If you're unsure of which ones to add, just take note the next time you're out on a shoot or film session. What problems do you come across? What is taking you the most time in terms of finding on the camera or fixing up in the camera that you could add to that menu to save time? This has been a simple yet game-changing tip for me. I made a point of creating a custom menu as soon as I got this camera new. I've used it, loved it, and I would recommend you give it a shot too and save all that time.